demanded to know how she could afford her new house if she had no money, she explained what me and my cousins had done. My mom then asked for my number. When she called me and explained the situation, I told her I couldn't help. She kept begging me and claimed my siblings would be made homeless if I didn't help them. I told her, maybe you should get a job or sell some of this crap you have, or maybe you shouldn't have abandoned me when I was a child and I needed you. Where were you? I needed you. And now you need me? That's when I decided I knew exactly how to handle this, an eye for an eye. So what I did was